In the futuristic city of Kamalpur, the peaceful Lotus tribe lived in harmony with technology and nature. Their serene existence was shattered when the dark forces of the Demon King, Riktubija, descended upon them. The Lotus tribe's leader, the wise and courageous Kavita, sought the guidance of their revered Guru, God Vishnu. The deity bestowed upon them the Vishnu Vijaya, a divine energy that infused their advanced technology with sacred power. With newfound strength, the Lotus tribe prepared to face the demons, determined to protect their home and way of life. The battle for Kamalpur had begun. The war between the Lotus tribe and the demons raged across Kamalpur, with laser blasts and divine energy clashing in a spectacular display. Kavita, wielding the sacred Lotus scepter, led the charge against Riktubija's forces. The Lotus tribe scientists, empowered by Vishnu's blessings, unleashed the Lotus weapon, a massive energy cannon that harnessed the power of the divine. As the demons closed in, the Lotus tribe activated the Lotus weapon, unleashing a blast of golden energy that obliterated the enemy's fleet. Riktubija, enraged, confronted Kavita, but was defeated by her mastery of the Vishnu Vijaya. With their leader fallen, the demons fled in disarray. The Lotus tribe celebrated their victory, their city saved and their faith in God Vishnu reaffirmed. Kavita declared, "The blessings of our Guru have triumphed over evil." The Lotus tribe rebuilt and prospered, their technology and spirituality merged in harmony. God Vishnu appeared, smiling, "My children have proven that even in a world of machines, the power of faith and unity can conquer all." And so, the Lotus tribe lived in peace, their legend inspiring generations to come.